Hello, I'm going to show you how to fix Poly Scholarship Edition crashing. It's so simple and easy, so let's start. For the first method, you want to go to the Windows taskbar, right click and then select Task Manager. Now once this pop up, all you have to do, go to the search bar and type in Steam or whatever launcher you have the game on. If you do find any task running in the background like this, you just need to select it, right click on it and then click on End Task to stop it from running. Now once you do that, wait for a couple of moments. After that, go to the Windows search bar and type in NVIDIA. You should most likely find this NVIDIA app. If not, check if you do have an AMD app, or you can just download the NVIDIA app from the official website of NVIDIA and set it up. After that, go back here and open it. It will open like this. After connecting with your account, go to the left menu and select drivers. After that, click download or install in the right button right here. Now you can select custom installation. I prefer leaving it as default. After that, click on continue to initiate the process of updating your graphics card's driver. For the next method, open the Steam launcher. It will open like this. So go to library in the top left corner and then click on collections. Search in the left menu for Poly Scholarship Edition. I don't have it, so I'm going to show you on this game. Once you click the game, you just need to click this gear icon in the right. After that, click on properties, go to launch options and type in this command -dx11. Once you do that, see it if it works. If not, go to installed files in the left menu and click on verify integrity of game files. That way the corrupted files that is responsible for the crashing will be safely corrected without the need to install the game from the start. Just need to wait for the process to finish. After that, you should be good to go. If you find it helpful, consider like and subscribing, and see you on the next one.